Civil authorities realized that there have been multiple reports about people and children missing. We have figured out who was doing it. This entity can grab people and something unknown will happen. We will give an update if we figure out something else. We have found out what the entity was doing. If you encounter one of these entities, run away as quickly as possible. The entity can grab you, and then kill you. We advise you stay inside your homes unless the entity is in your home. If the entity is in the basement, run away from your home. If the entity is upstairs, run away from your home. If the entity is on the middle floor, find a safe hiding place upstairs or in your basement. Civil authorities have issued an all-clear message. It is safe to go out now. The SWAT team managed to get the entity. Turns out the entity has escaped from a facility. We don't know how that happened, but all that matters is life. Let's thank the SWAT team for saving the Knox County's lives.